over.
Yeah, I'll hold it down all the time.
No.
Okay, I can't see the numbers that you have.
You're fucking hopeless.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are.
Okay, good. Just hold there. Remind me to go the shortcut.
Yeah.
We'll go for the really overgrown forest part, huh?
Yeah. Holding it as quiet as I can is almost weird.
That's fine.
The car.
It's fine. That place where they come, all the birds come and sit on you, isn't it?
Yeah, they sit on your hand.
Yeah. In your head, and they poop all over you. Here's the roundabout.
Yeah.
I know there's a car. It's a two-way road. There's a fire danger sign.
Here's the roundabout.
We are going straight, which is actually...
up that way.
Yeah.
That's Kalista.
Alright, yeah. Big Victorian bit of sign that you've seen all the little villages.
Kind of busy today. It's Sunday. They're all out driving.
Yeah.
And it is 31 degrees right now.
Alright.
It's going to go up to 37.
Oh, that's not bad. I thought it was going to be more like 40.
No, 37 they're saying now. So watch out for the turn-off coming here.
Here it is.
Here, yeah.
Into the forest.
Alright.
The thing's still filming?
Oh yeah. There's numbers. I think that's still got 3 minutes left.
Oh. 3 minutes is plenty.
There's a little bridge. Oh. Okay.
Sassafras reserves.
Yeah. That's all state forest. And there are kangaroos in there.
Alright. Where the hell do they have to jump? It's so overgrown.
Oh look, slow down for the birds.
Peacock?
Yeah. Not a peacock, that's the other one. Lyrebird.
Lyrebird,
yeah.
Yeah, they bullshit you all the time.
Yeah, they're pretty.
They imitate the sounds of all the chainsaws chopping down the tree.
Shadow of the grill. Alright. Make funny shadow of the car grill.
not a good idea.